Top 30 stocks are well known, yes. But what about the idea of shifting the spotlight? Here's your chance to explore large cap companies that are established yet underrepresented within the large cap category. Presenting the Nippon India BSE Sensex Next 30 Index Fund, an opportunity that creates an all large cap based, well-established middle order for your portfolio. These are companies with strength in their stride and ambition in their trajectory. The fund invests in the next 30 companies after BSE Sensex and offers exposure to underrepresented large cap stocks. It's diversified across sectors, comes at a low cost and offers the flexibility of investing through SIP. NFO period 21st May to 4th June 2025.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.